टॉपिक का नाम देखिए सभी लोग, क्या है टॉपिक का नाम? जिबिन, सुरेश, आदित्य, ऋषभ।
OSPF
ओएसपीएफ। सबसे पहले समझेंगे व्हाई वी आर गेटिंग इश्यूज इन EIGRP. अच्छा, बेसिकली इन EIGRP फर्स्ट इशू, always form neighborship in same years or different years. Anyone remember which one? Always form neighborship in same years. Second thing, always require years number. Clear? Third issue, best path learn on the basis of which one, dear? Bandwidth and delay. Actual interface, actual physical interface. Okay, fourth number also we are getting issues. Path manipulation, perform, but change physical interface, bandwidth or delay. Clear? Fifth point is only maintain which information, dear? Tables. So basically it's some basic issue in EIGRP, but most major issue, for example, if you're working as a network engineer inside your organization, this one is your head office, for example, this one is your head office. In this head office, we are getting some routers, clear? And this side we are also getting routers. So this one is my router 1, this one is my router 2, and both router connected with which side, dear? It's a ISP. Clear? Now, this router connected with your switches, sometimes firewalls. Clear? And after switches connected with your servers, connected with your some other servers, connected with your LAN users. Clear? Now, so basically, this department, we are calling the which one department, dear? It's my head office. Now, if you want to get a connectivity from head office to branch, so basically this one is my router 1 again, and this router connected with switch, and this switch side we are getting a multiple LAN users. Clear? But right now always clear, this one is my a branch. Now I just need to create same to same branch, so I will create copy, then paste, then paste. Clear, everyone? Now, so I'm saying right now, this one is my Delhi branch, this one is my Bangalore branch, and this one is my Chennai branch. Clear, everyone? And this head office available in which location, dear? Noida. Now, if every branch trying to connect with my head office, every branch, so how to get connectivity, dear? With the help of which person, dear? Which person? ISP. But
ISP.
if you are running some VPN concept or tunnel concept, so it's possible to connect your head office to branches easily. But always remember, inside VPN, okay, VPN we discussed, but in CCNP, inside VPN, it's make a just tunnel. Every router will form tunnel. That is the reason we are calling VPN, virtual private network. Inside VPN, if we are running the which protocol, dear? Which protocol? EIGRP.
EIGRP.
And head office say my AS number is 1000. And if Delhi branch trying to connect, so Delhi branch must be have same years or different years?
Same
this
only.
must be having the same years always. Bangalore branch also having must be
Same.
same years. Chennai branch also having a
Same.
same years. But in this case, we are getting some issues. Basically, whenever we are going to router one and we check routing table, so every route information with D code and AD value is 90. So we are getting issues. How to identify which one is my Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore. So first issue, second issue, always put into same years. Clear? Now, if you are running OSPF protocol, which protocol, dear?
OSPF.
Same design, same to same. Now, this side we are getting a router, this side we are getting a router, we are getting some switches. Some computers, laptops, users, you can say. This side we are getting a servers. Now, and this routers basically connected with which side here?
ISP.
ISP. And each branch also having the internet connection.
Yeah.
But right now you need to clear. If you are running OSPF, which protocol, dear?
OSPF.
OSPF. So in OSPF, we define this head office. This one is my which office, dear? I am saying HQ. This head office will be say I'm running into which area?
Zero.
Which area, dear? Area 0. And this one is my Delhi branch. So Delhi branch say I'm running OSPF, but my area number is
1.
which one? This one is my Bangalore branch. And
2.
this one say I'm running area number is
2.
2. This one is my Chennai branch. This one say I'm running the area number is
3.
So verify every branch having different area number. So whenever we need to check on router, so we can get clarification. Which one is area 1, which one is area 2, which one is my area 3. Clear? In OSPF, we are not using any autonomous system concept. We are using the in OSPF only two concepts. One is my PID and second is my which person here? Area. And always clear one point from this starting. Area 0 called the backbone area. Backbone means if Chennai branch trying to reach on Delhi branch, so how to reach? Basically this HQ head office router first receive Delhi branch network information, and this network information must be forwarded on Chennai. So basically every network information go via HQ. Clear?
Yeah.
This thing is clear. Now we need to discuss basic theory about OSPF. So first clear OSPF called it's a link state routing protocol. Which protocol, dear? Link state. Okay. OSPF means it's a open shortest path first protocol. Clear? One more thing. It is used SPF algorithm. Which algorithm, dear? SPF. SPF means shortest path first. Okay, one more thing. This algorithm developed by which person? Rich Kistra. The name is Rich Kistra. One more thing. It is used a protocol number on which layer? Layer 3. Which number we are using, dear? 89. 88 is my clear? This thing is clear.
89 is port number or
89 is protocol number, because on layer 3 we are getting a protocol information. One more thing. OSPF. OSPF enable only which layer devices?
Routers.
Layer 3. Just like if you're having a router, if you're having
Switches.
multi-layer switch, if you're having firewalls, if you're having load balance.
Load
Now
balance.
OSPF. OSPF AD value. So basically, mostly everyone says, sir, AD value is only 110. But this AD value, how many types available? How many types?
3 types.
3 types. One AD value we are calling intra area. Second, we are calling inter area. And third, we are calling the which one, Saurabh? Jibin?
External area.
External. But all three AD values similar. Now, one more thing. OSPF a root code. Basically, root code also we are getting a different type. Sometimes O, sometimes OIA, sometimes ON1, sometimes ON2, sometimes OE1, sometimes OE2. So this type of root code is available in which protocol, dear? OSP. Now one more thing. OSPF enable device by default priority. How many, dear? 1. But this priority can be go to 0 to how much, dear? 0 to how much?
2 to 5.
5.
5. Sorry, 2 5.
One more thing, OSPF. OSPF device role available. So we are getting only 3 types of device role. One is DR, second is BDR, and third is DR other. Now one more thing. OSPF perform election for which person, dear? For which person, DR? An election criteria is priority, and second is which one, dear? RID. And both is which one is more prefer? Which one is more prefer?
RID.
Highest. And if someone says, sir, what is the meaning of RID? OSPF, whenever enable, then automatically elect the router ID. Clear? One more thing. This router ID IPv4 address. Which address, dear? Only IPv4. RID size. So IPv4 address size is how much, dear? 32
32
bits.
bits.
Okay. This RID can be elect automatic or which one, dear? Manual. Okay. So automatic you can elect or manual, but we need to discuss only automatic process. Only 3 criteria is available. If you configure manual, so it's the most prefer. If you're having loop back, so interface IP we need to check. If you don't have manual, if you don't have loop back, so we need to check the which one interface, dear?
Physics.
Physical interface IP. So all 3 criteria, always choose the which one router ID is more prefer. Highest. Clear? Now one more.
Sir,
Oh,
RID
yes.
and
Yes, tell me.
RID and RID master both are same or different?
Master? Where I am
Yes.
right down master? कहाँ लिखा है भाई
No,
master?
no, हाँ सर मैं पूछ रहा हूँ RID मास्टर भी तो होता है ना, मैं पूछ रहा
नहीं
हूँ
वो
just
अलग
as.
होगा. नहीं वो अलग है भाई. OSPF. Now OSPF will maintain Which information, dear? Neighborship. And this neighborship we can form how many way, dear? Static and dynamic. But always clear, OSP. It is used a multicast IP address 224.0.0.5 and one more 224.0.0.6. How many address will be used? 224.0.0.5,
Two.
224.0.0.6. One more thing. OSP. One more thing. Whenever OSPF enable, then OSPF will maintain database. This database create with the help of which person, dear? RID. Clear? Now one more thing. This database store OSPF information, network information, device role information, area information, metric information, AD value also store. Clear? So multiple things, but this one is common. Now one more thing. OSP. Some messages available. Hello message, DBD message, LSR message, LSU message, LSAC message. Clear? Okay, DBD means database description message. LSR means link state request message. Okay, LSU means link state message. And LS means link state. And which message, Suresh? It's acknowledge. Clear? So how many types message available here?
5.
5. Okay, now one more thing. By default, OSPF install only how many root? 4 base root only. So this 4 base root means how many maximum path you can install? How many maximum path? Only 4. Now one more thing. OSP. Support IPv4, IPv6. OSPF. Support authentication. OSPF. Okay, now support which concept, dear? Read the concept. Load balance. Now one more thing, OSP. OSP. One more thing you need to remember about OSPF. OSPF timers available. So basically 2 timers is available. One is my hello And second is not a whole timer, just like a whole timer. It's called dead interval. Hello interval. And how, which interval, dear? Dead. Hello time is 10 seconds. Dead timer is how much second, dear? How much? 40. Now, one more thing. Ospf. Concept of PID. PID means process ID. Process identifier, you can also say. Clear? Now, every device need to define its size. How much, dear? How much? 16 bits. So we
16
can
bit.
use the formula 2 power 16. The value is coming 65536. But PID can be go to 1265535. Clear? It's help to start Ospf. It's help to start Ospf process. Okay, now one more. Ospf area concept. Which concept? Dear, area. Every device need to define area information. Clear? Now one more thing. This area help to form neighborship, exchange network information. Now one more thing. This area available in numerical well. Okay, same like just like AS number. Now one more thing. Area size. How much, dear? Jimin? How much? 32 bits. If you are putting a 2 power 32, so we are getting a big number. For example, this just like this one. Clear? Now, so this number can be start from 0 to this one. So always clear. Area 0 called the which area, dear? The which area, dear? It's a backbone area. Which one? Backbone area.
Area.
Backbone means
Area 0.
yeah, area 0. Other area must be connect. Other areas. All information store and forward from which device, which area? From area 0. Now one more thing. This area 0 can be connect with multiple areas. किससे connect कर सकते हैं इन्हें? Multiple areas से. Okay. Now, in interviews, if someone asking how many types of areas available, so you can say I think 4 to 5, but mostly very large area type is available. First call the standard area. Clear? Second call transit area. Third called stop area. Fourth called totally stop area. Fifth called NSSA area. Sixth called totally NSSA area. Okay, this thing is clear. Now one more. OSPF. Always form which process here? 7 stage. 7 stage means in this process form neighborship, exchange networks, exchange messages, exchange which information, Jibin? Jibin, which information? The database information. Clear? Now one more thing. Basically, this 7 stage is very important. 7 stage process. Basically, we discuss, but right now, not today. Tomorrow we discuss. But how many states available you need to go through? How many states available, Suresh? Verify. The disable,
Well,
I think initiate,
create other message.
two-way, start, exchange,
Change.
loading, and which one, dear? Full. Clear? Now one more thing. OSPF metric. Metric means how to get the which path, Saurabh, Rishabh, Aditya, how to get deer? Which path? The best path.
Ospf.
Best path. So basically, one more thing you need to remember. We need to use bandwidth and upon 10 power 7. So we can get the metric. This one is short formula. Clear? Now one more thing you need to remember about OSPF. OSPF network types available. So basically we are getting, I think, 5 types of network, mostly multiple, but 5 we need to discuss. First is my which network? Verify the network type. Which one?
Broadcast.
Second is my which one? P2P. Clear? P2M. Clear? NBMA or virtual. And which one, dear? Logical. So this one is my network types available. Now one more thing available. OSPF LSA is available. LSA means it's called link state advertisements. So basically all information, you can say message, you can say neighbor, you can say network, you can say device role. Clear? All information LSA will carry. Clear? Now we are getting a 7 types of LSA. How many types? Jibin, Saurabh, how many?
7 type.
7 types. First, router LSA. Second is my network LSA. Third is my summary of, yes, Saurabh, summary of network LSA. Fourth is my external LSA. Fifth is my, fourth is my ASBR, you can say. ASBR LSA. Fifth is my external LSA. Sixth is my multicast LSA. Seventh is my totally NSSA LSA. Yes सौरभ बताइए क्या प्रॉब्लम है भाई?
तो मैंने तो कुछ पूछा ही नहीं।
अच्छा ठीक है. डन. सौरभ, जिबेन, ऋषभ, सुरेश, आदित्य.
Yeah.
यस यस।
चलिए इसको गो थ्रू करिए. ये हो गया आपका OSPF थ्योरी. छोटी सी थ्योरी है 30-40 मिनट की. इसको गो थ्रू करना है बस. थ्योरी पढ़ के आनी है. मंडे को हम बात करेंगे OSPF लैब की. और ट्यूसडे को OSPF खत्म. फिर स्टार्ट होगा एडवांस पार्ट. और नेक्स्ट वीक में खत्म हो जाएगा CC में. ओके.
Okay.
यस सुरेश.
So can you open that this one? I shared in WhatsApp, right?
Yes, I know. We discuss because it's the last topics, na? We discuss in last. First,
Okay.
we need to complete routing, then we discuss. Okay?
Okay.
No
So
worry.
what about NATing, static, and IP?
Yeah, we discuss. Dear, we discuss. ACL net, we discuss. No worry. DSCP, we also discuss. No worry.
So what about Python introduction?
Python, you can. I will discuss. No issue.
Okay.
Why we use, why we required, we discuss. No worry.
Okay.
Okay, man. Take your time. Go through those videos. Okay, Jivin,
Okay.
ओके
Rishabh,
Good night.
Saurabh. गुड नाइट. मैं वीडियो अपलोड लगा रहा हूँ भाई सारी. आप लोग